It's Monday and we're kicking the week off with some crazy updates. There's lots to get into. Here's today's AI news. OpenClaw, the local-first AI agent framework that crossed 3 million users this year, can now plug directly into OpenAI's subscription system. Plus subscribers authenticate via OAuth, pull GPT 5.4 through the Codex endpoint, and run autonomous agents from their own machines without a separate API bill. Anthropic blocked Claude access to the same platform on the same day, and the contrast is the story. OpenAI is treating the agent layer as distribution. Anthropic is treating it as a threat. OpenClaw was built by Peter Steinberger, who joined OpenAI in February. The project crossed 350,000 GitHub stars in under 5 months, the fastest growth the platform has ever recorded. Unity AI is now in public beta. It comes with a gateway that lets you plug agents you already pay for, like Claude Code or Cursor, into Unity's editor through MCP, bypassing Unity's own credit system entirely. Most engines lock you into their own AI plumbing and meter every call. Unity is doing the opposite, shipping its own assistant, but also handing you a clean exit if you'd rather bring your own model. You get 1,000 credits a month for $10. Pro and Enterprise get larger allocations via existing licenses. Unity AI is promising to open up gaming to whole new audiences, ones where users with far smaller budgets can participate. Game on. Anthropic co-founder Jack Clark writes the Import AI newsletter, so his takes aren't casual musings on X, they're grounded in detailed reading of cutting-edge research. Recursive self-improvement, or RSI, is the moment AI systems become capable of designing and building their own successors, with no human in the loop. Jack believes that there's a 60% probability of RSI happening by 2028. But what's the big deal? Well, the big deal is that once the machines are autonomously improving themselves, the humans really lose control, and they're no longer the bottleneck. That's likely to mean rapidly accelerating iterations and a vertical takeoff that some people might call the singularity. SyntheMol-RL is a generative AI system that designs antibiotic candidates by combining 150,000 real chemical building blocks through known synthesis reactions. It explores a search space of 46 billion possible molecules, using reinforcement learning to optimize for both antibacterial activity and water solubility at the same time. The team generated thousands of candidates, synthesized 79 of them in the lab, and found 13 with genuine antibacterial activity. Synthécine was the standout, effective against drug-resistant MRSA in a mouse wound infection model. Idea to validated molecule faster than any traditional pipeline. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you can go just one more step and support us by liking and sharing this video, we would really appreciate it.